In this video, let me show you how to withdraw money from GoTyme Bank. You can withdraw using your GoTyme Bank Visa debit card or through partner stores. First, ATMs. Use any GoTyme branded ATM for free withdrawals. You can also use BankNet ATMs. Some users report no fees at Union Bank and other BankNet machines, while other mentions a 15 peso or 18 peso fee at BPI, China Bank, and Land Bank ATMs. After that, the over-counter withdrawals. GoTyme partners with Robinsons, Shopwise, and other retail chains, and these cash outs are free. Open the GoTyme app, choose Withdraw, select a partner store, and the app will generate a barcode. Show this barcode to the cashier and receive your cash without charge. These are many ways to access your money with GoTyme Bank, and that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.